Hey, how's it going? As I mentioned in the last video, I am on the quest to track down all of the Hot Wheels Racerverse cars. I picked up this 4-pack with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. As far as I know, this is the only place to get Raphael and Leonardo. Pretty soon I'm going to have 3 Michelangelos, because I bought the single pack. I bought the double pack with Splinter, which is yet to come, and this one. So, lots of duplicates of that guy. And then Donatello was in single packs, but I did not see it or pick it up. And then I'm pretty excited to get my hands on Raphael and Leonardo. So let's take a look at what's going on here with these castings. All right. First up, Michelangelo. I think I've showed you this one before. He's in their van. I think he drives the van in the movies and the show. I did grow up on Ninja Turtles, but it's been a long time ago. Very cool. This it's kind of light. It's got a metal base, and the whole top is plastic. Next up, we have Donatello. This one's kind of heavy. It's more of a go-kart style. The fan actually spins. That's a pretty cool feature right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I was able to spin the fan. That's really cool. But yeah, there you go. That's the pretty cool little casting there. Next up, we have Raphael. He's in a trash can. That's a pretty cool casting. A sewer cover on the back. This one is a metal base, and the rest of it is plastic. Definitely paying for the license on these. And the detail. I mean, even though they're plastic, they do have a lot of detail. Very cool. And last but not least, we have Leonardo. Same go-kart as Donatello, but it's a different color. This one's cool. Purple wheels. Assume the fan also spins on this one. Yes, it does. So anyways, there you have it. Oops, dropped them on the floor. Hot Wheels Racerverse Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 4-pack. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos, and have a great day.